In this episode of Encap TV, we're going to talk about what you can do with Releasit and Bonnets. Stay tuned to find out more. Hey there, Encappers. Let's talk about what you can do with Releasit and Bonnets. I mean, let's say you're trapped on a deserted island and you've got 100,000 square feet of carpet to clean on that deserted island. That's not going to happen, but if that was the only thing you had to get the job done, you could blow somebody's mind with the results you're going to get with Releasit and microfiber bonnets. We have the scrub bonnet here as well as the glide bonnet. Now the glide bonnet is perfect for softer carpets like a cut pile carpet, residential carpet. If you're doing residential or cut pile carpets, you want to use this blue one, the glide bonnet. These have become the de facto bonnet in the industry now. These two bonnets cover everything. So when you're dealing with scrubbing residential carpet, you use the blue bonnet. Now if you're dealing with commercial carpet, you definitely want to use these bonnets. They have the scrub strips, and what's great about them is that they're easily rinsable. Okay, so you can rinse them out. They release the soil when they're rinsed, they wash up easily, and they hold up pretty well. Even under an orbital machine that's real aggressive, you're going to get great life out of these bonnets. So for softer fiber, use the microfiber glide. For everything else on the commercial side, use the microfiber scrub bonnet. These little blue stripes here are somewhat aggressive, but they're still mild. They're not real scratchy. These are still soft, but it gives it a little bit more agitation, as well as the actual fiber itself is a little bit more capable when it comes to pulling soil from commercial carpet. So your commercial bonnet, your residential bonnet. Now let's talk about Releasit. Releasit's been around for over 20 years, and it is the go-to product when it comes to state-of-the-art encapsulation. Dries down brittle, holds soil in suspension, and gets it out of the carpet during the post-vacuuming process. Now when you put these two things together, you're actually cleaning with two modes of cleaning. One, you're cleaning with absorption, what you absorb into the bonnet. So if you're pad capping with an orbital machine, OP machine like a Tops Phoenix or Orbot machine, whatever, or rotary machine even, using bonnets, you're going to get great results. That's absorption. You're going to be pulling soil into the bonnet, you're pulling soil off. It's a great low moisture, so if you're focused on low moisture cleaning, VLM cleaning, very low moisture, these bonnets are going to serve you quite well. And then the second mode of cleaning, mode number 2, is encapsulation. So absorption, encapsulation. What we're going to do here, we're going to leave down a residue that will actually dry brittle on the flexible fiber, and as the fiber flexes, the soil that's encapsulated in the solution will fracture away from the fiber, and the normal routine of post-vacuuming will pull it up. So when you put this together, whether you're doing commercial or residential, you're going to achieve excellent results because you're cleaning with a low moisture. It's not going to open up any problems that might occur with wicking, which can happen, especially on commercial glue-down carpet. Recurring spills, that's where a spill goes down to the bottom of the carpet and then it comes back up, especially once we've got the carpet wet. What's laying under the carpet at the foundation level of the carpet can come back up during the post-drying process. You know, it's going to come up and dry and leave a sticky residue that will attract soil, so you see these recurring spill stains. Encapsulation does a great job of fixing that, especially in this low moisture method. It's going to work really well. So in other words, it's a problem solver. That's why I say if you're stuck with one mode of cleaning, this can really cover a lot of ground for you and put this carpet back into service quickly because it's a VLM method. It's a very low moisture method. So again, putting these two bonnets together, you're going to look like a hero, especially when you're working with a premium encapsulation product like Releasit. So hopefully these ideas will help you to become more efficient in your business. We want you to max your Encap. That's what it's all about here at Excellent Supply. Thank you for watching this episode. Share your comments below, or if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. I'll also put links to these products in the comment section below. Subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up if you would too. Until next time, thanks for watching Encap TV.